Question number 3 reads that the longest side of a right-angled triangle is 10 centimeters and one angle is 15 degrees. We should find the length of the side opposite the given angle. So you still do what we normally do, which is to first of all have a sketch of the question. This is a right angle triangle. Let me call it XYZ. That the longest side of a right angle triangle is said to be the hypotenuse, which is the side opposite the angle 90 degrees. So it is said to be 10 centimeters. And we are told that one angle is 15 degrees. For convenience's sake, I'm going to use this as 15 degrees. Okay, and we are asked to find the length of the side opposite the given angle. Let me call this side X. So this is the side opposite the angle 15 degrees. So this is what we are asked to construct. Can you like my videos as you watch? While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. So we shall construct this using a ruler and a pair of compasses. So first and foremost, we are not given side XY. Side XY is not given. Now, since side XY is not given, I'm going to pick any length of my choice with the condition that it should not be greater than 10 cm. Because from the question, we have already been told that the longest side of the right angle triangle is 10 cm. So any other side must be less than 10 cm. So I shall pick a distance of, let's say, 9 centimeters. So let's construct. So I'm going to draw my line, pick a point, call it X, and let's construct XY 9 cm. You may decide to use 5 cm or whatever. But why I'm using 9 cm is so as to have a bigger triangle for you to see what I'm doing. So this is 9 cm. So with X as center, construct an arc 9 cm. So this is my 9 cm. I'll call it point Y. Now, how do I construct angle 15 degrees? Since angle 15 degrees is a special angle, I'm going to construct it. Otherwise, you can use your protractor and construct angle 15 degrees. So how do I do that? With X as center, with Y as center, and any convenient radius, construct a semicircle. So this is going to be my semicircle. Call this point A and point B. With A as center and with that same radius, construct an arc. That gives me angle 60 degrees. So this is my angle 60 degrees. Now, I can still work with that point without constructing angle 60 degrees. With call this point C. With A and C as centers, I'm going to bisect it to get angle 30 degrees because this is already 60. So bisecting 60, I'll get 30. I'll bisect 30 again to get 15. So I can now adjust the arc, but let me just leave it. Let me maintain it. So construct an arc this way with C as center. You construct an arc this way. Now I'll be forced to construct angle 60 degrees because angle 30 degrees because I'm going to use that point. So I'm going to use a thin line, call this point D, point D, with A and D as centers. I'm going to bisect it again to get 15 degrees. So this, and with D as center, with A and D as centers, I've been able to construct angle 15 degrees. So you then join it. Now the question says that since this is 15 degrees, if you measure it using your protractor, it gives you 15 degrees. The question says AD is X, YZ is 15 degrees. YZ is 10 meters. So I'm going to construct a line segment 10 meters. So you adjust your protractor, you adjust your compass, you adjust your compass to 10 meters. Okay, this is 10-meter mark. So with Y as center, you construct an arc. So this is 10 meters. All you need to do is to extend the line to cut that arc. So you have something like this. Now the question is, point X is outside. And if I should draw a line from X to point Z, it won't be a right angle triangle. So what I'm going to do in this case is that I'm going to draw a perpendicular line down to line from point Z down to XY. And if I'm not constructing, then I'll be forced to use my 90-degree set square. So this is a 90-degree set square that gives you a perpendicular line. Okay, so I'm going to use it to construct my perpendicular line. So how will you position it? You ensure that it is parallel to the line XY, as in this case, and then you take the point from where it is down. Okay, something like this. So our point X is this. And if you check, I don't think it's going to alter the line X. It's going to alter any of the reading, the angle 15 degrees or whatever. So one striking thing is that I bet you that line XY may be equal to 10 centimeters, as same as the other side, and it is correct. So what we have in essence is that line XY is given as 10 centimeters as well as the hypotenuse side, which is line segment YZ. So this is how to construct. Now let me make the triangle thicker so that you can actually see what we constructed. You should be careful not to have a double line. So this is our triangle X, Y, Z. Don't forget to like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook if you are yet to do so as my lesson teacher. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. But I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. Don't forget, this is a topic on geometry, which we are looking at construction, basic construction. We are looking at construction of triangles. See you in our next class where we shall be treating construction of quadrilaterals. Do have a nice day.